Alright guys, we're back with Checker. So this dog has a history of being dog aggressive, and with these dogs, they will flat out fight. And pit bulls, whether people want to believe it or not, have ferocity, tenacity, and velocity that you do not see in other breeds of dogs. So this little dog is really actually pretty mild-mannered, but this woman is coming around the corner with this lab again with the red ribbon on it. So we're just going to work through that. I'm sure this woman, oh my God, it just started chasing those ducks over there. Is saying to herself, these people need to leave. Why are these people here? Yeah, that thing almost got the ducks. Alright, let's just see if... now she's kind of going away. Alright, but look, it spotted the other dog over there. She's going way around now so it doesn't pull her. You know why she's doing that? Because she sees a pit bull. Anyway, so I'm just going to start adding my pager as quick as possible. We're going to get this dog going down. Checkers! Saying, well, why isn't she correcting it for getting in front of her and jumping? Checkers! The reason is because we're winning the battle of attrition. And this is not a correction-based dynamic. So for me to say, no, what this dog would say to himself at that point would be, the human is having a reaction to that. By having no reaction, you are way ahead of the game. Checkers! No, blah, blah, blah. It would have said to herself, I got a reaction. Every time I'm saying the name, I'm doing a pager. Checkers! You guys need to be ready to adapt depending on the dog. Because of the way this dog is, I'm doing the treat with this hand. Checkers! Like this, it's hard for them to even walk in a straight line. She just bounces every which way. Well, so did Shiva and Andy last week. every turn. Checkers! Probably start this dog downing by the end of the week. But the other thing is we've got that off-leash recall. And that has to be the foundation of everything, you guys. We put a lot of pressure on this dog for the recall.